All right, this is Algebraic Reasoning, Review 2.1 and 2.2, number 20. All right, so we're just listing off the attributes of this quadratic. All right, remember your vertex is your C value and D value, or you can just look on the graph, say what's right there at positive 4. So it's when x is 0, y is 4, that's at that point. Your minimum and your maximum value, well, there's your vertex, everything's going down, so that vertex is a maximum value at y equals 4. For those of you that don't watch the videos, just copy down what you see. And because we gave you the max right there, I'm going to go ahead and do the range. Well, the range is everything below 4, so that's 4. There's negative infinity, so just put them in order. Negatives would come before the top of it, so it goes from negative infinity to positive 4. All right. Your range in set notation will introduce the y. Y is, well, everything is going down, so this is less than the 4. So it's less than or equal to 4. Okay? Alright, and your domain, well, for quadratic, no x's are off limits. I can plug whatever I want in there, so it's all real numbers. And if you're not used to writing this yet, in both interval and set notation, well then you just haven't done your work at all. That's all I can say about it. You'd be completely used to it by now if you had it. Alright, so let's do that. Let's erase this real quick so we can have a clean slate. Nope. I have a y-intercept of 4, a 0, 4. That is your y-intercept, right there where it crosses the y-axis. So your vertex actually is your y-axis, your y-intercept. Your x-intercepts, okay, your x-intercepts aren't on there. They didn't fit. So let's pull out that formula again, so we're all kind of used to it. That is, we got it written down. I don't have it memorized yet, I'll be honest with you. C plus or minus the square root of negative d divided by a. All over your b value, comma 0. So start plugging things in. Your c value is, well, 0 plus or minus the square root of a negative d. Well, your d value is 4, so it becomes negative 4, divided by an a value of a negative, so negative 1. Pardon me, divided by b, divided by 1/3. So let's start cleaning that up. Well, you don't have to write that 0 up front. So it's just plus or minus. Negative 4 divided by negative 1 is positive 4, square root of 4, divided by 1/3, comma 0. Square root of 4, well, 2 times 2 is 4, so the square root of 4 is 2. So that's plus or minus 2 divided by 1/3. And if the 2 over 1/3 is freaking you out, just shove in your calculator. 2 divided by, and you can stick it in there, 2 divided by, parentheses, 1/3. And you will get 6. So it equals plus or minus 6, comma 0. So your y-intercepts are at 6, 0, and negative 6, 0. Okay? So we just plugged it in and we started reducing. That's all we did. All right. Last but not least, your increasing and decreasing interval. Basically, where is it going up and where is it going down? All right? So if it's going up, well, that's increasing. Increasing. If it's going down, that's decreasing. So anything from here up into, well, 0, or so that's negative infinity to 0 is that side. 0 to positive infinity is that side. All right. So my increasing interval is from negative infinity to 0. And my decreasing interval is from 0 to positive infinity. Alright, that's where it is.